Hello YouTubians and fellow hobbyists! Welcome to the first episode of Cut Dreams in Styrene after our little vacation break. I really had a fantastic time with family and friends, spent some comfort time with them, had nice talks in the evening. It was awesome. But of course I missed you guys and we missed to make our little videos. Today's show we want to talk about the new build, Charlie's Frankenstein build. He sent us some nice pictures, and like always in the beginning, the riddle. What's the highest temperature ever recorded in the United States? 124 degrees Fahrenheit, 134 degrees Fahrenheit, or 154 degrees Fahrenheit? The answer, as always, the end of the show. This week we start a brand new build. It's called the Rusty Wasp. It's gonna be a red rod, as you probably assumed from the title. It's gonna have a V16 engine in with dual superchargers. And of course lots of scratch builds, since I have to hold myself back with the Porsche 918. I have a lot of ideas that I had to come out now. But without any further ado, down in the garage. Yo, here in the garage we started a brand new build. It's gonna be a big motor, a V16 with dual supercharger, and first, as always, do a little mock-up and make a little plan. I thought I'd finish the wheels so get a little bit more inspired how the whole thing should look in the end. Next, making a 1-to-1 blueprint for our frame. Time to bend the frame. Now let's see if all worked out and our parts fit in the frame nicely. Last step for today, building a brand new rear end. Yeah, that's all for today. Now back in the studio. Topic of this week. Well, Charlie Mack sent us some gorgeous pictures of his Frankenstein build. And I have to say, Charlie, mission accomplished. Fantastic build. Look at these pictures. This build has everything that we talking about in a Frankenstein build. You take some parts that you find somewhere, like in this case, some old airplane parts and the trucks and stuff, and you make a lot of scratch builds. I just really like that build. It's fantastic. Congratulations, Charlie. Awesome build. I love it. If you have finished your Frankenstein build, please don't hesitate to send us some pics, and we gladly will show them on the show. But now to the riddle. Well, the summer is here and some of us have a hard time to stand the heat. But you might see the temperatures with different eyes if you hear how high the temperature on July 10th, 1913 in Death Valley was. In the riddle. Okay, this was the first Saturday show after our break. We hope you all enjoy the summer. Have some awesome time until next Saturday. And don't forget, as always, love and friendship, something you can't buy. Respect all people. Keep that hobby alive. See you next Saturday, folks. You get lazy over the years. I can't believe you did that.
See, this time it's not me, it's you.
Well. Anyways.